Hello everyone, Program 1 here. We're going to be doing the test on the aggregate building. We're going to be doing a sample here on this lower level. Hopefully you can see the results. I'm hoping to see the same. As you can see, it's starting to lighten up. We're using 3000 psi at 175 degrees. So that's 175 degrees of hot water. As you can see up there, it's pretty dirty. Once I get down here to the middle, you can see it's starting to get clean. I also did a sample here. You can probably tell a little bit more. This side's a little bit more dirtier. I'll clean the rest of the bottom here, and hopefully you can really tell the difference. Look at that, big difference, big difference. Good job, Sylvester.
All right.
As you can see, there's a big difference. From the top side of this is dirty, the bottom side is clean. When doing power washing, you have to use the top of the line equipment in order to have these results. Some companies use smaller units. It's not that effective. So like I said, this is a 3000 psi and it's 175 degrees of hot water. No chemicals needed. Cost is less due to no chemicals needed. I'm gonna walk around the building now and submit a proposal. Again, Program 1, doing a test on an aggregate wall in Oak Brook, Illinois.